Great result. First half, probably one of those forgettable first half. What was said at half-time? How did you turn that around?
Yeah, look, I think they came out first off and really showed what they're about, you know, put us under pressure, 2 tries early on, and we just said half-time we have to stick with our game and make sure we keep the ball and make sure we play our terms.
Big impact from the guys coming off of the bench. How important were they for you?
Yeah, look, that's what we wanted this week, you know, big impact from the bench. That's what we want every week. The boys, look, they trained well, they came off, and we wanted and needed that impact at the 50 minutes, and I think they got the game for us at the end, the bench.
Big couple of weeks, the last couple of weeks, but obviously into next week. This is obviously great preparation for going to Edinburgh.
Yeah, look, I think we're getting a few boys back next week, 5 more to go, so there'll be a good training this week and massive game for us next week. You know, it's knockout rounds and it's European rugby, so we're looking forward to that and the rest of the season.
Well, look, you had a big personal performance today. You were the Guinness Man of the Match, and here to present your award is Ken O'Dea of Guinness. Well done.